If you're a teacher, you know how much time goes into creating engaging and professional presentations for your lessons. That's where Gamma AI comes in. Gamma AI is an AI powered platform that helps teachers turn lesson plans, notes, and ideas into polished, visually appealing presentations quickly and easily. It's a tool designed to save time, improve the quality of your teaching materials, and help you engage your students more effectively. One of the biggest advantages of Gamma AI for teachers is time saving. Instead of spending hours designing slides, selecting colors, and arranging content, you can focus on what really matters: your lesson and your students. By simply inputting your content, Gamma AI automatically generates slides with professional layouts, visuals, and well organized content flow, allowing you to prepare lessons faster without compromising quality. Another benefit is ease of use. Gamma AI is beginner friendly, so even if you aren't experienced with the design software, you can create visually appealing presentations in minutes. The AI provides suggestions for layouts, fonts, colors, and visuals, making it simple to turn your notes into slides that are clear, engaging, and easy to follow. Gamma AI also offers customization and flexibility. While the platform automates much of the design work, you can adjust colors, fonts, images, and layouts to match your style or school branding. This allows you to create presentations that are unique, professional, and aligned with your teaching objectives. Another key feature for teachers is smart content organization. Gamma AI helps structure your lesson materials logically, ensuring your key points are highlighted and your students can easily follow your message. Whether you're teaching a science lesson, a history lecture, or a complex math concept, Gamma AI makes it easier to deliver information in a clear and engaging way. Imagine preparing for a big class or an online lesson. With Gamma AI, you can quickly transform your lesson notes into a polished presentation that captivates your students, saves you time, and reduces stress. It's an invaluable tool for both in-person and virtual classrooms. So, if you're a teacher looking to save time, create professional presentations, and engage your students more effectively, Gamma AI is definitely worth trying. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more tips and tutorials, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any updates on tools that can make teaching easier. Try Gamma AI today and see how it can transform the way you prepare and deliver lessons.